Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The Best Amazing You Kids book is probably one of the most engaging and educational resources available for young minds, designed to spark curiosity and foster a love for learning through vibrant illustrations and captivating narratives that explore the wonders of the human body and the world around us, making it an indispensable addition to any child's library. Number 5. Young Chef's Cookbook. Unleash your inner chef with over 100 exciting recipes. This cookbook is designed for young culinary adventurers like you. Discover a world of flavors with dishes you'll truly enjoy making. From simple snacks to impressive meals, there's something for every taste. Our step-by-step guides make cooking fun and accessible. You'll be creating amazing food in no time, even with little experience. Learn to prepare meals that are not only fun to cook but also incredibly delicious to eat. Share your culinary creations with family and friends. Embark on a journey of taste and creativity. This is your ultimate guide to becoming a confident and skilled young chef. What we like. This book is packed with over 100 delicious recipes designed for young chefs. It encourages hands-on cooking and ensures they'll love what they make. If you want to foster culinary skills and create lasting memories in the kitchen, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This book is a great way to teach kids about self-esteem and confidence. The illustrations are beautiful and engaging for children. It's a wonderful story that promotes positive thinking and self-love. Number 4. Human Body Activity Book for Kids. Discover the wonders within with this fun and engaging activity book. It's designed to make learning about the human body an exciting adventure for young minds. Get ready for interactive activities that bring the human body to life. These hands-on exercises make complex concepts simple and enjoyable for kids. Tailored specifically for children in kindergarten through 3rd grade. It provides age-appropriate content that sparks curiosity and encourages exploration. Transform learning into playtime. This book uses creative activities to teach fundamental anatomy, helping children understand how their bodies work. Ignite a passion for science and discovery. It's a fantastic resource for budding scientists eager to learn about the incredible machine that is the human body. Packed with educational value and engaging content, this book ensures a rewarding learning experience. It's the perfect blend of fun and knowledge. What we like. Dive into the wonders of the human body with engaging, hands-on activities. It's specifically designed for young learners in grades K-3. If you're looking for an interactive way to teach children about their bodies and encourage scientific curiosity, this is an excellent resource. What people say. The book is filled with vibrant illustrations and engaging stories that capture children's attention. It's a great tool for early learning, introducing concepts like colors, shapes, and numbers in a fun and interactive way. The durable pages and sturdy binding make it perfect for little hands, ensuring it can withstand repeated use. Number 3. National Geographic Kids 5,000 Awesome Facts. Dive into a universe of incredible knowledge. This book is packed with amazing facts that will surprise and delight you. Discover mind-blowing trivia about animals, science, history, and more. You'll learn something new on every single page. From the deepest oceans to the farthest reaches of space, prepare to be amazed. It's a journey through the most fascinating things on our planet and beyond. Share the excitement of discovery with everyone. These bite-sized facts are perfect for curious minds of all ages. Get ready to impress your friends with your newfound knowledge. This is the ultimate resource for anyone who loves to learn. Trusted for generations, National Geographic brings you the most accurate and engaging facts. Explore the world with confidence. What we like. Prepare to be amazed by an incredible collection of 5,000 fascinating facts covering every imaginable topic. It's brought to you by the trusted name of National Geographic Kids. If you have a child who is endlessly curious and loves discovering new information about the world, this book will be a constant source of wonder. What people say. The book is filled with vibrant illustrations that capture children's attention. Each page offers interactive elements, like lift the flaps and textured patches, making learning fun and engaging. The story promotes positive messages about self-esteem and friendship, which is wonderful for young readers. Number 2. Awesome Kitchen Science Experiments for Kids. Unlock a world of culinary chemistry. Discover exciting science projects you can actually eat. Explore 50 amazing STEAM activities designed to engage young minds. It's learning through delicious discovery. Transform your kitchen into a science lab. These experiments make learning fun and tasty. Perfect for curious children, this book offers hands-on fun. They'll love every experiment. See science, technology, engineering, art, and math come alive. It's an educational adventure they won't forget. Get ready for a unique learning experience. These projects combine education with edible results. What we like. Explore the exciting world of science through delicious and safe kitchen experiments. These 50 STEAM projects are designed to be fun and edible. If you want to make learning science engaging and tasty for your kids, especially those who love hands-on discovery, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The book is filled with vibrant illustrations and engaging stories that capture children's attention. It's a great tool for early learning, introducing concepts like colors, shapes, and numbers in a fun and interactive way. The durable pages and sturdy binding make it perfect for little hands, ensuring it can withstand repeated use. Number 1. What to do when you feel like hitting. Toddlers often struggle with big emotions. Sometimes, these feelings can lead to hitting. This book helps little ones understand and manage those impulses. It's common for toddlers to feel overwhelmed by their emotions. When frustration or anger strikes, they might resort to hitting. This guide offers gentle solutions. This book provides a supportive way to address hitting behavior. It teaches toddlers healthy coping mechanisms for their big feelings. When your toddler feels like hitting, it's a sign of big emotions at play. This resource helps them learn to express themselves without hurting others. Hitting can be a challenging behavior for parents and toddlers alike. Discover practical strategies to navigate these moments and foster positive emotional expression. This book is designed to help toddlers understand their anger and frustration. It offers tools to manage these feelings constructively, reducing the urge to hit. What we like. This gentle book offers practical strategies for toddlers struggling with the urge to hit. It focuses on understanding and managing big feelings. If you have a toddler who is going through a phase of physical expression for their emotions and you're seeking a positive, constructive approach, this book provides valuable support. What people say. This book is a great way to teach children about self-love and acceptance. The illustrations are beautiful and engaging, and the story is heartwarming. It's a wonderful tool for parents to help their kids build confidence and a positive self-image. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.